Welcome back to Classic Cars. Today, we're diving into the timeless charm and elegance of one of Hyundai's most iconic sedans, the Hyundai Sonata. This classic model has seen remarkable transformations over the decades, yet each generation holds a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts. Let's take a journey through the history and evolution of the old Hyundai Sonata models, right up to the modern 2025 version. The Hyundai Sonata made its debut in 1985, marking the brand's entry into the midsize sedan market. The first generation, known as the Y1, was a boxy, unassuming sedan designed for practicality and reliability. It was powered by a 1.6-liter engine and came with a 5-speed manual transmission. Although it didn't make a massive impact initially, it laid the foundation for something greater. Fast forward to 1988, and Hyundai introduced the second generation, the Y2. This model marked a significant improvement in design and performance. It featured a sleeker body and offered more engine options, including a 2.0-liter four-cylinder. The focus was on providing better comfort and efficiency while still maintaining affordability. In 1993, the third generation, known as the Y3, hit the roads. This model was a game-changer, showcasing a more modern and aerodynamic design. It introduced features like power windows and an improved suspension system. The Y3 Sonata gained popularity worldwide, especially in markets like the United States, where it was praised for its reliability and value for money. As we moved into the late 90s, the fourth generation Sonata, codenamed EV, made its debut in 1998. This model took a more refined approach with rounded edges and a more upscale interior. Hyundai focused on safety and comfort, offering dual airbags and ABS as standard features. The engine lineup included a 2.4-liter inline-4 and a more powerful 2.5-liter V6, giving drivers a choice between efficiency and performance. The fifth generation, launched in 2004, brought a complete overhaul with a more contemporary design. This NF Sonata introduced advanced features like electronic stability control and a more spacious cabin. It was also the first Sonata to be built on an all-new platform, setting the stage for Hyundai's reputation for quality and innovation. Now, fast forward to 2025. And the Hyundai Sonata has come a long way from its humble beginnings. The latest model features a futuristic, bold design with sharp LED lighting and a sleek profile. Under the hood, it offers hybrid and plug-in hybrid options, emphasizing performance while being eco-friendly. The interior is loaded with high-tech features like a fully digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment touchscreen, and advanced driver assistance systems. The 2025 Sonata stands as a testament to how far Hyundai has evolved, blending cutting-edge technology with the same spirit of reliability that made the earlier models so beloved. What makes these old Hyundai Sonata models truly remarkable is how they paved the way for the brand's modern success. They started as simple, practical sedans but gradually evolved into stylish, reliable, and feature-packed cars. Owners loved their affordability, durability, and the smooth driving experience they offered. Today, these classic Sonatas are cherished by car enthusiasts and collectors alike. They represent the evolution of Hyundai from a modest automaker to a global leader in automotive design and engineering. Whether you're a fan of the boxy first generation or the futuristic 2025 model, each version tells a story of progress and perseverance. That's it for today's look back at the classic Hyundai Sonata models. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Classic Cars for more automotive nostalgia, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which Sonata generation is your favorite or if you've ever owned one yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.